What's the meaning of branding iron? Branding iron. Branding iron.
Branding iron. Branding iron. A branding iron is a tool used to burn a specific mark or design onto an object, typically made of metal or wood. The mark created by a branding iron can be used for various purposes, such as indicating ownership, identifying a product, or creating decorative designs. When heated, the branding iron is pressed onto the object, leaving a permanent, distinct mark. This process is commonly used in the agriculture industry to brand livestock, but can also be seen in the manufacturing of various products. Overall, a branding iron is a powerful tool used to leave a long-lasting mark on an object.